for a judge, probably one of the most important qualities for a law clerk is the ability to write. A good legal writer is worth their weight in gold. Equally as important is clarity of thought. You know, law school sometimes has a tendency to convolute things, and so you want somebody who can see the issue and come up with an answer that may be complex but can be clearly delivered so that anybody can understand it. Because if it's not something that can be communicated to the general public, then we're failing at our job. I like someone who's a self-starter, who you know, is looking for work, as opposed to when the task that you've given them is completed, they're doing nothing. It's the person who says, I finished that up, what do you have for me now? You know, what I like about St. Thomas is that they encourage the students to immerse themselves in the legal community. And I've seen that in the mentor program. I've seen that in their interest in doing internships, in every aspect of the bench, in the public sector, in the public defender's office, the county attorney's office. I think I probably have worked with at least 20, maybe 30 interns in the last 6 years that I've been a judge from St. Thomas. I was a public defender for, I think it was 18 years, 19 if you include the time I spent as a law clerk. I love the courtroom. I love the trying cases. I love the advocacy aspect of the law. I liked working with my clients. I understood that my function was as a lawyer, as an advocate, was to fight for them, for their cause, for their case. But I also understood that one of the most important things that a lawyer does is to foster a relationship with their client, because you know, sometimes you have to give your client some rather hard advice that isn't always well received, particularly if you're a public defender. And you have to have a relationship in order to impart advice to somebody. And I always worked really hard to have a relationship with my clients. And so that when we would go to trial and try these cases, it was kind of as though the two of us were in a foxhole. And regardless of the outcome, we would emerge from the conflict more bonded together than ever before. And so I really enjoyed the trial aspects of being a lawyer. It's a lot of fun.